Turtles are the best company for you and your TV. Just don't go crazy with it. Your hair likes to taste the rainbow too. Did you try on all your outfits but none of them are making you happy? These glasses are too gloomy. A headband is too old-fashioned. A hat is wrong for this time of year. Time to change my hairstyle. This is really easy to do with my rainbow hair toner. Put hair toner into Ziploc bags. Use all the colors of the rainbow. Dip the ends of your hair into the bag with hair toner and fasten them with a hair tie. Keep it on for a while and rinse. Rainbow tips are this season's hottest trend. Enjoy your new look. Shine like a rainbow. Gum isn't allowed in class. Everyone knows that, except for the students. Big bubbles disturb the professor. Spit your gum out right now. Are you in kindergarten? Come on, give them to me. Bummer. Cindy, don't worry. I know a great prank. We'll use gum replacement. Take polymer clay and put it into a Ziploc bag. Why? Shape the clay like bubble gum. Ew! Better not chew it. Then bake the clay in an oven. Shape chewed gum of all the colors of the rainbow. Now we just have to stick the clay gum to magnets and attach the pieces to the blackboard. Quiet! She's coming! The teacher is very surprised. This is disgusting! Whose idea was it to attach chewed gum to the blackboard? That's rude! Ah, these are just magnets? Fine, everyone gets a high grade for creativity. Are you getting ready for a party? Rainbow eyeliner will be perfect. Want to use ours? Pour makeup primer into a makeup container. And add in makeup pigment. Stir it well. Make different colors. Apply the eyeliner onto your eyelid. Start by making the inner corner red and keep painting a rainbow. Make a smooth transition. The tip of the eyeliner is purple. It worked! My rainbow eyeliner is ready to make everyone go wild. Eyeliner isn't enough. I need a whole rainbow outfit. But I don't see anything that's good enough. Well, I'll go to Narnia for some inspiration. Here, I found something. Rainbow ribbons. What should I make? An elegant hairstyle? A choker? Earrings? After a few hours, I realized that it's a rainbow dead end. Maybe I should use these ribbons for clothes? Cut multicolored ribbons into identical pieces. And sew them to the back and the sleeves of a jacket as fringe. My ribbons finally have a new home. They look great on my denim jacket. Let's get this party started. Sadness? Depression? Melancholy? And all at a great party? We can't have that! Cindy doesn't want to have fun. But I'll remind her of the joy of life. Here, Here, take my pocket rainbow. Shape polymer clay into a cloud. Cut round holes with a straw. Bake the clay following the package instructions. Tie different colors of embroidery thread to the holes. Glue a badge pin to the back. A rainbow badge is perfect for sad days. Just pin it on and your mood will get better right away. Cindy rushes into this party like a bright rainbow. Do you feel like nothing can make you happy in the morning? Not even a morning selfie? I need to get ready! My skin looks dull and the lighting is bad. Let in some sunlight. That's not right either. But maybe a rainbow filter will help me. Draw a rainbow on a sheet of clear plastic with markers. Cover the whole surface. Use it as a filter. Put on a selfie ring and hold up the rainbow. You'll get a bright morning photo shoot. Rainbow pics will definitely make you happy. It's time for my prank. Not all these eggs are the same. Shape light clay into an egg. Put it onto a skewer and dip it into white acrylic paint before the clay hardens. Let the paint dry. Hi, Alex! Want to try a new challenge? Squish an egg with just one hand. Can you do it? Obviously! Give me an egg. Hey! What's going on? The egg refuses to break. Is this shell made out of iron or something? No, it's obvious. Look, I can easily smash this rainbow egg. Come on, try it again. Now I see. This is a clay prank. Then I'm not afraid to crack an egg either. Whoops! It looks like this egg was actually real. Ah, bad luck, Alex. Everyone knows that a girl can spend a lot of time getting ready. Cindy, can you hurry up? We are already late. This girl spends more time doing her makeup than she'll spend at the party. I'll have to teach you a lesson, Miss Slowpoke. I'll make your world much brighter. Melt different colors of crayons in a microwave. Place a phone case on parchment paper and pour layers of melted crayons on top so the wax spreads over beyond the case. Place a flattened iron onto the melted phone case. Oh no! What happened to my phone? See? You took so much time to get ready that even the crayons melted already. Very funny, Alex. You are still pranking me. You think I didn't figure it out already? Didn't you notice that your headphone case fell into some water? Whoops! Hang on, that's a nice idea for a rainbow upgrade. Pour water into a container and spray different colors of spray paint onto the water. Dip a silicone headphone case into it. After this rainbow bath, my case looks really colorful and unusual. What a great idea! Did you like our rainbow ideas and pranks? Then comment below which ones you'd copy. Would you do a rainbow makeup look, rainbow hair, or a colorful phone case? Or would you prank your friend? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new rainbow stories from Troom.